starting no church.
Guys, I've literally been lying on bed all day. I just finished watching Ginny and Georgia. So I don't know another series to watch. If you have any series, please recommend for me. News already getting old.